I'm going to put it in terms like this. Look, when you, I'm sure the price of the vehicle, you're probably including what's going to cost you to own it, right? But for the next 2 years, it's not going to cost you a thing to maintain it. We're going to pay for that for you. Next 3 years, 36,000 miles, something breaks, somebody else pays for the repair, not you. Powertrain, next 5 years, 60, something breaks, somebody else pays for it. Roadside assistance, my man, you don't need to pay for that. You don't need to pay for it on your physical damage insurance or your mobile phone bill, because they try to sneak it in all the time. We're going to pay for your roadside assistance for you. And we're going to pay for Sirius Radio for the first 3 months, okay? All that comes with the Ascent. I'm just reminding you, I'm sure you probably mentioned this, but do consumers remember everything that you say to them?
No, of course not.
No. So I'm going to remind them about all this stuff, because every one of those things has got quantifiable value. Nobody's going to buy a new Subaru without a warranty. Or they're going to pay you $6,000 or $7,000 less for it.
Quantifiable.
Yeah. So what I'm going to start. So how I'm going to start is I'm going to say, all right, Neil. Thanks. By the way, there's going to be no surprises here. The price you saw on the internet is going to be exactly the same price we're going to see here. However, just want to remind you. Well, first of all, the Ascent. Tell me what you thought about it when you drove it.
It's a great car.
Okay. Right color.
Absolutely.
Equipped just the way you said it had to be equipped. So we got the right vehicle.
Absolutely.
Please don't forget, you're not paying for maintenance for the next 2 years. $300 coming out of our pocket. Take care of your maintenance. Okay? Comprehensive warranty, $336. Something breaks, somebody else pays for it. Powertrain, $560. Something breaks, somebody else pays for it. Roadside assistance, next 3 years, 36,000 miles, somebody else is paying for it. And Sirius Radio, you got about $36 worth of Sirius Radio covered.
It's $36.
Just to see if you like it, okay? Here's your opportunity.